Get ready to unlock the secrets of effortlessly earning money with the newest apps. Imagine turning your phone into a money-making machine while you relax or tackle your daily tasks. We're diving into the world of easy income and sharing apps that can help you make up to a whopping $80 or even more. Whether you need some extra cash, are hunting for a side hustle, or just want to make the most of your free time, this video is tailored just for you. Stick with us until the end as we guide you through the process step by step and introduce you to groundbreaking apps that could be your ticket to financial freedom. Let's kick things off and let your phone work its magic for you.
We will walk you through the whole process. We will help you enhance your skills. And we will teach you how to earn money online with no limits. This is Money Mentor. If you want to stay updated on new online money-making methods, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell to get you notified whenever we upload new videos. This channel is open to all opinions, so feel free to leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below.
Now, the first thing you'll need to do is go to either the Google Play Store or, if you're using an iPhone, the Apple App Store. Both of these places have lots of apps you can use. For this example, I'll focus on the Google Play Store. I'll show you how to find apps that make it easy to earn money on your phone. So let's get started with our first app, Uprock AI. This new app has a really good 4.9 star rating and has already been downloaded over 100,000 times. That's pretty impressive. I bet it won't be long before it hits 1 million downloads. To start using it, all you have to do is download and install the app, and then I'll guide you through how it works. According to their website, Uprock AI wants to make AI work for you. Share your internet, earn passive income. It's the first AI data network that's powered by regular people, and it gives real-time insights for content creators, brands, and businesses. Don't worry, this app is totally safe to use. It's got a cool idea where you just install it and start earning without any hassle. The process is easy, and they even have a website with a detailed guide to help you every step of the way. Once it's installed, you'll earn money whenever the app is running on your phone. It might not make you rich overnight, but it's a great way to start making some extra cash. Now, let's explore a fascinating new app called GoodDollar, named for its goal of providing universal basic income, UBI, through cryptocurrencies. This innovative app isn't just for people struggling financially. It's also for anyone looking to earn some extra money. What sets GoodDollar apart is its ability to bring together the cryptocurrency community while offering free earnings to everyone. When you visit their website, you'll see a powerful message: free money as a public good, unlocking human potential with digital universal basic income. The platform has already made a big impact, with 640,000 people signed up, $6 million in transactions, and a remarkable money multiplier of 13 times. Pretty impressive, right? If you're curious about the benefits and want to get involved in this digital universal basic income initiative, you can easily sign up and join the movement. Even though GoodDollar has been downloaded 100,000 times, it already has an impressive 4.3 star rating out of 5, showing that people find it easy to use and like what it offers. With its unique approach to financial inclusivity, it's likely to become even more popular as more people learn about it. So don't miss out. Take a dive into the world of GoodDollar, where universal basic income meets the digital age. And that wraps up our look at the second app on this exciting journey towards simple and ethical earnings. Stay tuned, because I'll reveal the highest paying app later in this video.
Wait a minute. Have you been enjoying this video so far? If your answer is yes, then this is the perfect time to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified on our future uploads. Now let's get back to the video.
Now let's check out our third app called Traf Monetizer. This app does something different for making money online. It uses your internet connection. When you look at their website, you'll see a catchy phrase: share your internet connection and make money online. It's kind of like our first app, but it promises to pay you more. The big idea behind Traf Monetizer is this: why would we give you money for your internet traffic? Well, it's because lots of marketing and advertising companies really want people to visit their websites and use up more internet data. This new idea taps into the huge amount of unused internet data that most people have. About 92% of it goes unused. Users can earn around $29 for each device they connect, which sounds pretty good. With 350,000 people using it and a good 4.1-star rating, Traf Monetizer has become pretty popular with over 1 million downloads. The fact that so many people are downloading it shows that it's working well and people like it, making it a useful app to have alongside others that share your internet. When it comes to making money without doing much, it's smart to have different apps working together. So having a few internet sharing apps, including Traf Monetizer, can help you make the most money from your internet connection. Let's move on to our fourth app, Cash Raven. Here, we're diving into another way to make money passively by sharing your internet connection. The reason for having a bunch of these apps becomes clear. Each one might have its own benefits, and having different options can help you make more money. Just like the others, Cash Raven wants to make sure you're safe when you install it, so they've put safety controls in place to make sure you have a secure and reliable experience. When you look at how Cash Raven pays you, it's pretty simple. The more devices you have working, the more money you can make. The app has an easy-to-use interface that helps you keep track of and control the data you're sharing, making it a safe and efficient way to earn money. According to their info, if you share 33 gigabytes of data per day, you could make around $100 for each device. And the cool thing is, you can invite your friends and family, like your parents, siblings, grandparents, aunts, and uncles, to join in, creating a network of shared devices that all contribute to your earnings. Basically, this video is a quick and easy guide to help you make the most of your downtime by introducing you to a few apps that can turn into cash. By using these internet sharing apps strategically, you can make more money while saving yourself the hassle of searching for opportunities on your own. Now, let's take a closer look at the last app on our list, the one I've been really excited to tell you about. I'm pleased to introduce you to Make Money, Play, and Earn Cash, which also goes by the name Mode Mobile. With its slogan, turning the smartphone into the earn phone, this app has a pretty impressive history. It's already paid out over $250 million to users and has gotten over 2 million 5-star reviews on the Google Play Store. Plus, it's received $40 million in investments from around the world. What makes this app stand out is how many ways there are to earn money with it. You can potentially make up to $1,200 a year just by listening to music, playing games, and doing other stuff. And when it comes to cashing out, you've got lots of options. You can get your money through a bank transfer, PayPal, or even cryptocurrency. You can also choose from popular gift cards like Amazon, Walmart, and eBay. Getting started with this app is super easy. Just download it and sign up. With its reputation for being legit and its easy-to-use interface, Play and Earn Cash is definitely a favorite among the apps we've talked about. It's a top choice for anyone looking for a simple and reliable way to make some extra money. So in short, this app makes turning your smartphone into a moneymaker easy and profitable.
And that's it for today. If you learned and enjoyed watching this video, please give us a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to be updated with our new videos. Once again, this is Money Mentor. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.